I had it around my neck, it kind of like feels weird because my hair is in the way.
Let's turn you around so you can face the camera and say hi to everybody, Elvis. Say hi! I'm getting feisty. I want to get down and go play in the grass. So, oh, what a sweetie pie.
She's looking at me.
Yeah. She's a good girl.
Can I hold on?
Elvis is a good girl. Let's put her in the grass and see if we can watch her slither through the grass. Oops. Move this back a little bit. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes.
She's coming.
All right, bye, Elvis. We'll see you later.